FFF. So it's kind of K-drama feel. So excited ako kasi syempre parang Filipino with Filipino actors and actors tapos Korean actors and actresses.
Na nagsama sa isang film. Are you a fan of K-dramas?
Yes, I really watch K-drama. Favorite ko ba no?
Oh, so excited na rin tayo. Alam ko excited na rin sila. Alright, for the next star supporting the movie, we have Lian Jimeno.
Hi everyone! Thank you po sa pagpunta dito sa premiere night ng yung Libro Sa Napanood Ko.
Ikaw, excited ka na ba?
Super excited po na mapanood po.
Are you a fan of K-dramas?
Opo, sobrang.
Ngayon, makikita mo ang isang Korean actor. Pero sa Korea, sino ba yung favorite mong Korean actor?
Actually, madami po eh. Pero like yung recent na favorite ko po, yung kay Jisoo po, yung Snowdrop.
Yung Snowdrop. Ayan, I've watched it as well.
Kasi yung
diba, parang medyo ganito din yung feels melodrama. Yung libro sa napanood ko. I know you guys, you are excited, very excited for this, Lian. Alright, and for the next one, please welcome Bela.
Hi everyone, thank you for coming here.
Okay, na-traffic ka ba going here? Na-traffic ka ba going here?
Yeah, so much traffic.
Traffic.
Yeah.
Pero thank you so much dahil nakarating ka ngayon.
Yeah, thank you.
Nakarating the movie.
Of course.
Excited?
So excited to watch this movie. Yung Libro Sa Napanood Ko, yeah.
Excited? I think you really are excited. Grabe. Kilig ba si Kurt?
I'm so excited to watch this movie.
Why are you excited to watch?
Kasi nalaman ko na parang very K-drama daw siya. Like,
A big fan.
Pinapangunahan pa po siya ni Miss Bela Padilla. So, I'm so excited to watch this movie.
Okay, soon magkakaroon ka rin ng mga movie ganyan, di ba? Hopefully soon. Please welcome Michael Keith.
What's up everyone? How you guys feeling today? You guys good?
They're good. They're happy to see you too. So, how is it? How is it going here? Is it traffic? How are you feeling today?
Oh my gosh, isn't like EDSA the worst street to ever exist? It's so traffic on EDSA. But we made it, we're safe, and just super excited to be here.
Okay, how excited are you if you rate it to 1 to 100?
Is 100 trillion possible?
Wow!
Right?
That's a lot. Okay, so this is a Tagalog movie. Do you understand Tagalog?
Konti lang po.
Konti lang po.
I'm learning. The more that I stay here, the more that I'm surrounded by it, the more that I hear it, I learn it more. And you know, it's part of my culture, so I gotta learn it. And yeah, I'm super excited to see this movie.
Okay, and we are excited too. Alright, this time we have group of artists, amazing artists joining us this evening. Please welcome Viva Max artist, Queen Carillo, Ethan Magnaye, Marco Gomez, Rob Ginto, and Mark Janicio.
Good evening everyone! Ako po si Queen Garrovillo. Magandang gabi po. Ako po si Rob Ginto.
Good evening everyone. Ako po si Marco Gomez.
Good evening everyone, ako po si Ethan Magnaye.
Good evening po sa lahat. Ako po si Mark Janicio.
Alright, excited na ba kayo for the film?
Yes! Of course, very excited. Alam naman natin na kapag talaga pelikula ni Bela, diyan tayo iiyak tatawa. Kaya na-excite talaga ako.
And by the way, Queen is a writer. Writer din si Queen, di ba? Ito mga kasama natin dito, amazing actresses, actors ng Viva Max, and you guys should watch them as well. Alright, before we proceed on to our games again, I'd like to thank everybody for joining us this evening. I know sobrang traffic sa labas. I know marami pa humahabol sa atin tonight, but yeah, I would like to thank everyone na nandito na kasama natin ngayon who are very early for our red carpet premiere. And later, again, congratulations because we will get to watch for the very first time yung Libro Sa Napanood Ko. This is written and directed by Bela Padilla, Philippine cinema's Queen of Hearts. Okay, and syempre also starring Yoo Min-gon. He is a Korean actor. And ano ba? We also have a part of the cast, Miss Lorna Tolentino and Boboy Garrovillo. So guys, please do tag us on Facebook, facebook.com/Viva Films, and on Twitter and Instagram at Viva_Films on your posts, your photos and videos. videos. And also, don't forget our official hashtag for tonight. It's hashtag Libro Premiere Night. Ayan, Libro Premiere Night ang ating official hashtags. And also sa mga makakapanood later ng movie, yung libro sa napanood ko. Alright, there you have it. Struggling a bit, but I made it, guys. Yung libro sa napanood ko. Okay. Okay, everybody, please put in a good review after watching the movie. And again, please do tag us. You can also tag our lead stars, Bela, Padilla, and You've Been Gone on your reviews. This time, let me introduce our supporting cast for the movie Yung Libro Sa Napanood Ko. Okay, first up, we have Malena Leonard. Please greet everybody tonight. Okay, can you tell us about your role? What's your role in this movie?
My role in this movie po is Young Lisa or Young Bela po.
Young Bela Padilla. Are you excited to watch the film?
Very
Very, very excited. Is this your first movie on the big screen? Congratulations! You'll get to watch yourself for the first time on the big screen. Okay, abangan natin si Malena later. Next up, we have Tex Ordonez de Leon.
Hi everyone! Welcome! Thanks you all for coming here.
Okay, can you tell us po about your role?
I play the OFW friend of Miss Lorna Tolentino, and I gave some bad news to his husband to the Philippines. Ayun, yun na lang, doon na lang.
Doon na lang. Where did you shoot po? In Korea or here in the Philippines?
Here in the Philippines, in Clark, Pampanga.
In Clark, Pampanga. Okay, how was it filming for? Is it really great? Amazing?
Yes, it's a wonderful experience. Syempre, I get to meet other people, Miss Bela, of course, and all the staff are great.
Okay, and I know you are very excited for this movie.
Oh, very much.
Very much excited,
This
right?
is my first movie.
First movie ever. Oh, congratulations too. First movie ever. Mapapanood natin si Miss Tex. Raul Montesa!
Hello, magandang gabi po. Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta. Maski na traffic kayo.
Kayo po na traffic ba kayo papunta dito?
Oo, inabot ako 2 oras.
Lahat po tayo, but they are here supporting
Yes,
you.
thank you. Thank you for coming.
Can you tell us about your role po, about this movie, Yung Libro?
Ako po yung doktor na magsasabi kung ano yung nangyayari kay Bela. I can't go any further kasi baka may masabi ako na ma-spoil natin yung pelikula. So I'll be playing the doctor.
Okay, our doctor. Sa kanya po tayo magpapagamot.
Yes.
Okay, next up we have another part of the cast. We have Goda Choi. Inside, say
Good evening.
Korean?
안녕하세요.
Is this your first film?
Yeah, I'm so nervous.
Oh, you're so nervous. Okay, I'm excited to see you. Oh my gosh. Okay, so what is your role in the movie?
I am Young Jung.
Oh, yeah, Young. Okay, the role of You've Been Gone, right? Okay, so are you excited for your movie? Very, very excited because you are very excited. All right, up next. Oh, here's a dear friend of mine, a beautiful singer, actor, radio DJ. Please welcome Sandra Jung.
Hello, my name is Sandra Jung, talagang Koreana, and I'm role mother po ni Yumin Go dito sa movie. And I hope you guys enjoy. Alam ko sobrang traffic po ngayon, and sana support niyo po yung movie na to. Thank you so much, kamsahamnida!
There you go. Congratulations once again. All right, up next, we have another part of the cast. Hasna, Cabral.
Hello po! Welcome po sa premiere ng John Wick. Akala ko basta ko ng John Wick. Hindi ba ito John Wick?
Ay, hindi.
Ano ba ito?
Ito yung isang mapang movie.
Ano ba? Yung libro sa napanood ko. Ayun. May-enjoy niyo to. Written, directed by Direct Bela. Imagine, kasama namin siya as an actor and siya rin ang aming director. So sobrang ganda ng obra na to. Sobrang talaga may enjoy nyo.
How was it working with Direct
ako sa discipline niya. Kasi ako as an actor, nahihirapan na ako. What more, yung nag-cut ka, at ikaw din yung nagdadirect, at ikaw din yung actor, sobrang galing ni Bela. So, maliban doon siya din nagsulat nito So, yung storya talaga grabe, nakakaiyak. May enjoy nyo, legit, mapanakit si Miss Bela Padilla, sobra.
Okay, mag-ready na tayo ng tissue. Spoiler
Yes,
alert, kailangan ng tissue.
nakakaiyak talaga to. Sobra.
Okay, ready your tissue. And this time naman, we would like to know your character, your role.
Ako po yung binugbog ni John. Johnny pa rin. Ako po yung best friend ni Bela Padilla. The comic relief, Alita. And then, yun, best friend niya ako dito sa Manila.
Okay, best friend dito sa Manila. So, all of your scenes are here in Manila.
In Manila, sayang na, hindi ko dinula sa Korean.
Kasama tayo, Direk Bella.
Wala daw passport si Akala.
And this time, let's move on to the main cast. Please welcome Boboy Garrovillo and his wife.
Excited lahat ng tao ngayon. Bibigyan sila lahat.
Excited po kaming lahat. Can you tell us about your role po dito sa iyong libro?
Well, syempre, salamat ako hindi ako lolo. Tatay ako. Tatay ako ni Lisa. Tatay ako ni Bela dito sa pelikula to. At kami yung medyo parang iniwan dito sa bansa. Para makwento lang, makontent kwento lang na malaman ako na yung abangan nila. Hindi kami nagkita ng asawa ko dito kasi ang asawa ko nasa Korea.
Hindi sila nagkita ng asawa.
May hint na tayo. Pero napakaganda ng kwento kasi hindi naman mabigat, pero alam mo, napakatotoo. Madalas nangyayari talaga to sa mga pamilya.
Parang pang real life talaga yung story.
I think for the last 30 years, yung mga pamilya natin, mga Pilipino, nangyari ito. May mga nangyari ganun.
Mapapayak mo ba kami dito?
Huwag naman.
Huwag naman. Huwag na tayo umiyak.
Kasi ayaw ni Bela ng gano'n eh. Oo, alam mo si Bela nung dinidirect niya kami, nung una, congratulations ka Bela.
Yes,
Alam mo si Bela, mag-direct kasi yan, ayaw niya yung may malakas na iyakan, may mabigat na sigawan. Parating lahat yung nagpipimpilan, pinipigilan na. So, napaka-exciting kasi parang may tatawid yung kwento na gano'n, yung parang ang sigip na ng dibdib mo, sisigip lang dibdib mo. Kaya huwag kayong iiyak, sisigip lang dibdib mo lang.
Hindi na tayo iiyak pero sisikip yung dibdib natin.
Yun.
Pero parang kailangan namin ng tissue talaga dito. Sir.
Kung ang tawag ko mababa ang luha mo, sigurado yung mapapaiyak ka rin.
Ayan. At syempre, papaiyakin din po natin ang mga nanonood sa Facebook Live. Let's invite them to watch yung Libro Sa Napanood Ko.
Oo nga po mga kaibigan, yung Libro Sa Napanood Ko, tingnan nyo lang sa title pa lang, napaka-intriguing talaga yan. Kasi di ba, bakit ka naman marunod ng libro? Kung paano nangyari na gano'n yun? Nung nalaman ko ang kwento, sabi ko, wow, ang ganda nitong kwento, no? Kasi nagsimula, libro lang nagsimula, tapos niya, yung totoong buhay na pala yung nangyayari. So hindi mo alam tuloy kung ano yung nasa libro, ano yung totoong buhay.
Mapapaisip din tayo dito. Ang dami nating clues. Mapapaisip tayo. Maningkip ang dibdib natin at naiiyak tayo. Tama po ba? Thank you very much po.
Thank you po.
Panoorin po natin ang yung libro sa napanood ko.
Ngayon, susunod na yung ating mga... Alam mo, ang ganda ni Bela na yun. Nakita ko siya doon sa likod, backstage.
Ang ganda po talaga.
Sobra. May in-love kayo lahat, maski hindi kayo Koreano.
Okay. Thank you, Sir Boboy. At syempre, excited din kami mapanood kayo muli sa big screen. Ayan. Congratulations. Okay, i-ready nyo na lahat yan because they are here. Please welcome the main cast of yung Libro Sa Napanood Ko. Jung and the writer and director and the lead star of the movie, Miss Bela Padilla.
Ko for the first time on the big screen dito sa Pilipinas. So, yeah, isa po itong official entry sa Summer MMFF. So, sana po, supportahan natin lahat ng pelikulang Pilipino, pero sana po unahin natin yung Libro Sa Napanood Ko. Thank you so much po.
There you have it! Bela